Kevin Gross sets the pace, partner one, he's the all blue car down in front of the driver's stand. Wade Thomas runs in the number 2 spot with Adam Cooper right behind him. And they'll take off looking to catch up on Kevin Gross. So it's Gross, Thomas, and Kirkwood. Patty Ellington, Michael Thurston, Mark Andre, and Wade Millard. Ryan Fox. Just coming up to the 1 minute mark. Still lots of time to go with the C-Main Wgtr. Everybody's got lots of running room, trying to keep it nice and clean. Gets hung up on the board there. That's Thomas. He'll hand over the Kirkwood. Patty Ellington will make it away by as well. So goes Kirkwood, Ellington, and Thomas. Race leader, we have blue car number 1 of Kevin Gross. This is Skycraft Hobbies. We got 4 to go, 4 to go. Battle taken up with a 3rd spot between Thomas, Mark Andre, and Patty. In front of the driver's stand, that battle is. Kevin Gross looking to check out. Got a 5-second lead on Kirkwood. So it's the all blue car in first, the all white car in second. Clean Thomas in the yellow car. And now it's all messed up. As the sounds of racing in the middle of the drivers. We'll see how this checks out going across the line. Gross holds on to first. Kirkwood's moved up to second. Mark Andre with a big lead off now. He's in third. Thomas, Fox, Thurston. Patty took that one hard. Three to go. Kevin Gross in your all-blue car looking to run away and high. Oh, leaders on this roof at the end of the straightaway. He's going to hold on to the lead, but Kirkwood now. Kirkwood is within a striking distance. Inside of 3 to go. We'll have the presentation right after the main event. Wgtr is on the track. 2:30 to go. Leader make his way through traffic in the all blue car. And now second place, Kirkwood's right on his tail. So it's blue and white down the straightaway for the battle for the lead. Leader sneaking away through traffic. And here we go. 2 to go. Thomas puts. And down the straightaway, that battle goes blue and white. Now looking for a way around, ducks inside. Kirkwood with the move. Kevin's quicker, he's going to be battling back. Under 2 to go. Kirkwood goes down the straight. Mark Andre's up to 3rd. Thomas is in 4th. Ryan Fox, Patty Ellington, Michael Thurston, Wade Millard. Now Kirkwood trying to check out all white car. Wgtr C-Main. Kirkwood, all white, the race leader, looking to keep it clean, keeping it on the black. Little 12-6, Kevin Gross 12-1, trying to catch it, trying to chase them down. Leader coming through traffic, thank you. All white car coming up to the chicane. Yellow 12 train, Kirkwood. 30 to go, 30 to go. It's Kirkwood, Gross, Mark Andre, Wayne Thomas, Ryan Fox, Patty Ellison, Michael Thurston, and Wayne Millard. Leader coming up from the driving stand, all white car out in Kirkwood. Demo flip. Inside of 10 to go.